Hi guys, si Allen De Leon to. Ngayon ko lang nalaman na ito palang binili kong wireless microphone na si Corefly na kasing laki ng 5 peso coin is kung nakikita niyo yung color green na button na yan, pag i-triple click mo, magkakaroon pala siya ng echo. So kung gusto mo mag-sing along, then pwede. So ngayon narinig mo, ito yung normal lang. So try natin i-triple click, okay? Alright, 1, 2, 3. Ayan guys, meron na yung echo and I guess naririnig nyo na. So, try natin mag-sing along ha, habang may oras. Alright, so hanap tayo ng ito. May nakita akong kanta. Ayan. Sing along muna tayo. Night after night, we are together, sharing lovely moments that spell forever. Day after day, our love gets stronger, growing every minute that we get closer. Okay ba yung microphone? Okay guys, kinat ko na yung pagkanta kasi hahaba yung ating video. So, para ma-deactivate naman natin yung echo at reverb, matanggal natin, all you have to do is also click 3 times. So, click natin, 1, 2, 3, and then there you have it, normal speaking voice na ulit. So, if you're interested kay Corefly, then nandyan yung yellow basket, i-click mo lang. Okay, this is Allen De Leon. Thank you for watching this video.